Need a plumber. We'll call our realtor and see who he likes.
Mm-hmm.
We need an electrician. Call our realtor, see who he likes. We need somebody to come out and
do a fence, cut the grass,
all
put a pool in.
So like realtors are like like in any networking group, realtor is just kind of like the seat that is the most important, but it's amazing to me, and hey, I do it too. I thankfully I know a lot of great realtors, and I know a lot of sources I can call. But man,
it's a life goal for me to be the I know a guy.
Yeah,
and it's not just home stuff. I mean, I can tell you some great auto mechanics, some great body shops, some I got a guy does custom upholstery and caterers and the shoe fixer. Yeah, thanks, Missy. Have you ever been to the shoe fixer?
It's awesome.
Dude, those guys are awesome.
Yeah.
For all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's just, you just got to know. I just continue to find new people.
I know a guy.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, I know a guy. That's me.
Is that a show?
I think that's it.
Great.
That it?
Well, thank you guys all for watching, tuning in. We hope you've enjoyed the content we're putting out there for you.